Foaming the shoulders up can be sometimes a bit tricky, especially if we're using a dynamic rope system like the TRX. You can use a Swiffer or a broom at home, a towel works. What I'm doing is I'm holding very gingerly, primarily with my thumb and index finger touching at the pads of the fingers, rotating the PVC pipe over my torso and then back. As you jump over, I want you to pull that shoulder blade back towards the center of your mid-back, rotate the forearms out, and then as you bring it back forward, you rotate the forearms in. Moving into TRX hangs, if you have a weighted vest, that's great. Certainly not necessary. I am resting on my heels here. You can, of course, put the feet flat down on the floor, and in this case I'm doing just scapular retractions. You want to keep a little bit of a distance between the TRX handles and just again retracting your shoulder blades and letting them come forward for a set of 8 to 10, then opening into shoulder blades, retracting, and my elbows coming out to the sides and then back forward again. Again, trying to let the shoulder blade set itself in motion, letting your sternum rise a little forward and really pinching those shoulder blades together towards your mid-back. From there, you can move into a more narrowed grip and doing the exact same thing, really pulling those shoulder blades by your side, letting the sternum and ribs open forward, and then letting the arms come back out. Try not to lose the shoulder blade and keep a level of tension at all times. Sometimes you can start by gripping a little harder. Moving forward, guys.